And now, get ready for America's hottest new game show, What's That Sound? Here's your host, Justin Calloway.
Hey everybody! Welcome to What's That Sound, the game show where we give our contestants a sound and they have to guess what it is. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Contestant number one's name is Frankie. Frankie just got a new vacuum. Frankie, this is your first sound.
Oh, that's a dog, or more specifically, a Shih Tzu.
Correct! 10 points for you, Frankie. Contestant number two's name is Brenda. Brenda checks her mail every day. Brenda, this is your first sound.
Oh, that's a doorbell.
Correct! 10 points for you, Brenda. Our last contestant's name is Tom. Tom's never owned a dog. Tom, this is your first sound.
You can't keep doing this, Tom.
You don't know what you're talking about. I have rough days, and it helps me take the edge off.
There's a difference between taking the edge off and being an alcoholic. It's tearing this family apart.
That's it. I don't need this. I'm getting out of the house and going for a drink.
Tom, what's that sound?
Where did you get that sound?
We have a really great audio team. Tom, what is that sound?
That is a private conversation between me and my wife. No one has the right to listen.
Incorrect. That was the sound of you and your wife trying to save your on-the-rocks marriage. All right, moving on. Back to contestant number one, Frankie. It's your turn again.
I'm sorry, what just happened?
What's that sound?
I mean, that's a boat, or more specifically a barge.
Correct! 10 points for you, Frankie. Brenda, back to you. Brenda, this is your next sound.
I mean, it's a baby, but why are you wearing this guy's dirty laundry?
Correct! 10 points for you, Brenda. Tom, it is back to you. Can you make up for the points you lost in the last round? Here's your next sound.
What kind of TV show is this?
As your lawyer, I suggest you sign these divorce papers and get them to Tom as soon as possible.
I don't know. I love Tom, but he just isn't the same guy I married 10 years ago.
Yeah, you don't deserve that. You deserve to be cherished, like the great woman you are. You have a loose eyelash. Let me get that for you. Well, can I?
Yeah.
Tom, what's that sound?
No.
What's that sound?
My wife making out with another man?
Sorry, that was the sound of your wife making out with a successful man. A successful man. Frankie, it is back to you. It is your turn again. Here you go.
No, I pass. I feel really uncomfortable right now.
Awesome, that's what we want. Contestant number two, your turn again.
No, I passed too.
Tight! All right, contestant number three. It is your turn again. This is your third sound. Here you go.
And are you sure my husband Tom will hear this?
Absolutely. You get to tell your soon-to-be ex-husband that you're divorcing him, and I get great ratings for my show. Everyone wins.
I feel like such a coward for not doing this face-to-face, but it has to be done.
I don't think you're a coward, Jillian. I think you're a real special gal. Loose eyelash. Let me get that.
Tom, what's that sound?
This is the worst day of my life.
No, that was the sound of your wife starting her new life. Not all about you, Tom. All right. Moving on. What was that? That was the sound of the lightning sound. Oh, there it is. I just heard it now. It's around that time, which means our contestant in last place will get a chance to rack up some quick points. Tom, that's you. We're gonna get started.
No, that's all right. Oh. Well, that's a cat.
Correct.
Alright, well that's a police siren.
Correct.
Oh, waterfall.
Correct.
Okay. Pudding?
That's not pudding. we need another guess, or we're just gonna keep hearing it.
Is that you fucking my wife?
Judges? Sorry, we were looking for the sound of me making love to your wife. That's right, we're in love now. Things are moving really quickly. But you did rack up a lot of points right now. If that means you win this show and get to come back next week. that's all the time we have on